This is the Y107 Missouri Credit Union Miracles for Kids Radiothon at MU Healthcare's Children's Hospital.
We are live at MU Healthcare Children's Hospital. It's Carson, it's Liz, and we are joined by, let me turn up your microphone, otherwise nobody will know who you are. We are joined by Gretchen, and Gretchen is part of the Patient Advisory Council, who has been around a couple of years, but you're fairly new to them.
Yes, I've been with the council for a year. I'm working on my second year, so I've learned a ton of things, and so I'm really excited.
Now, you got involved with the council because?
My son has been utilizing this hospital and the services in the hospital for years, and I have wanted a way to give back to the hospital, and so somebody told me about PFAC, and I was like, why not? And once I got on it, I was like, this is where I needed to be.
Yeah. We talk about this hospital, and what you can do right now to help out, to make a difference, is pick up your phone right now, listening, 866-970-GIVE. Phoenix Home Health is matching those donations. We only need 7 more. That's it, just 7.
That's
as we're
not too much.
Getting close to the end of the hour. Just a few more minutes left, 6 more minutes if we can get 1 per minute. I know there's the workers from Tiger Institute are on the phones. They're trying really hard to take your calls, and we're trying really hard to keep them busy. So pick up your phone and make that call, 866-970-GIVE. So you got involved because your son has been using the hospital for years, and you find that pretty much most of that board is a lot of moms.
Yeah, we have a guy there too, so it's moms and dads.
I'm sorry, a lot lot of parents. Let me rephrase.
There you go, parents. Yes, our council consists of parents and members, or staff members, whether it be a physician or a nurse, also as well. It's a collaborative effort. So when we're doing something, we're trying to work as a whole team. And so it's nice to have everybody on the team.
And your overall goal is really to serve as the voice for the patients and the families.
Correct. Some of the things that we're working on right now is, for example, we're working on a resource book that's going to be online, that's going to be a helpful resource of what's available in the hospital for the parents that come here. We're also working on trying to make a universal bathroom within the hospital so that no matter what your ability is, you'll be able to actually use the bathroom.
Wow.
So that's kind of a couple things that we're working on. One of the things that we have done that's been implemented already is what we call an iPass. And that's a bedside rounding sheet that is given basically when the doctors round with you. They go over a lot of information. A lot of words are thrown at you. Sometimes you can write them down. Sometimes you can't. Next thing you know, your head's swimming. They kind of put it all in a summary for you on this sheet. There's also a spot where parents can write their questions on it. It's really a nice collaborative effort between the two, you and the doctor and the staff.
Just another testament of how this hospital makes sure that they take care of every little need, and you as a parent know, I mean, how important and critical that is, because as the parent, your head's swimming.
It so is.
With all sorts of things.
Yes, my husband is always gone working all the time, supporting us, which is great.
Yeah.
But sometimes I forget stuff. There's stuff I don't remember to tell him when my son's been in here for inpatient, and so it's so nice to have that sheet. I can say, oh yeah, we talked about this, this, and this, and this is what the plan is, and so it's been a very helpful thing that's come out of it.
What's your favorite part about being on the council?
Oh, getting to know so many new people. I have met, I already knew a lot of parents and people that have been touched by this hospital, but I always get to meet new people, and that is what is so great. And you get to hear their stories. We all share our stories with each other. We do have the confidentiality thing, but it is so very nice to just know that you have somebody else that's going through something, maybe not with the same way you went through it, but it's a little bit different perspective. And so it's just nice to have all those people come together.
I think the theme that we hear consistently throughout this entire Radiothon is this hospital is a family type atmosphere.
So true. So true. My son's 15 now, and so there are tons of people that I know in this hospital, all the way down to the people in the cafeteria, to the people who clean his room. And it's interesting because you can just come in and they remember you too. So it's just nice to have that family atmosphere.
There's only a few more minutes left in this hour as they are updating the board. Some more Miracle Makers calling in, so keep those calls coming in. Just $20 a month makes you a Miracle Maker. And we only need 2 more. Wow, big update. So pick up that phone, 866-970-GIVE, as we're talking with Gretchen, who is a mom of a patient of the hospital and also part of the Patient Advisory Council. Why is it so important to you especially as a mom, as a representative working with the hospital, for people to pick up that phone and call?
It's so important because we need this hospital. I honestly couldn't live without this hospital. And even if I didn't have a son that didn't have all the medical issues that he has, just knowing that I have a hospital in case my son were to get injured in an accident playing a sport, or I don't know, fall off something.
Yeah.
Just to
as
know,
kids do.
Yeah.
Fall off thing.
Yeah. Just to know that there are people here that can help aid him through that or aid her through that. It's amazing to know this is in our backyard.
Yeah. Today's truly about a day about celebrating and hearing these stories and knowing what a difference that our community always makes. As we're looking at a milestone this year, on our 14th year, we could crest that $3 million mark for a lifetime donation.
Yikes! Oh, that'd be so exciting.
I just got goosebumps.
It might be a big hope, but you're going to be the difference maker right now by picking up your phone, 866-970-GIVE. Just 2 more Miracle Makers in a few more moments. Puts you in the running for those Cardinals Royals box seats. So very important. Pick up that phone and call right now. That number, Gretchen?
The number is 866-970-4483.
It's the Miracles for Kids Radiothon with the Missouri Credit Union here on Y107.